Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 57 of Building the Tumbler. This is a very quick self-contained build episode. So we'll get straight through it straight away. Looking at room for two. No idea what that's about. But if you want to read the words, pause and go back and look through it. Past and future Robins. Yeah, there's been several Robins. Just one Batman, though. It's only Bruce Wayne. As far as I'm aware, has there been another Batman? If there has, let me know in the comments. I'm moderately interested. Not that interested to read all about it, but looking at George in there from his work and page from history, this is what we've got. It's the engine panel and two exhaust pipes, which look like they're going to screw in place, but they don't. They just push in place. I don't know if they're going to be illuminated or something else goes over the top of it to hold it in place first, but pin and what looks like a screw hole. But we're just popping those two in place and making it look like that, ready for next time's bigger box to open. Yeah, let's do this bit first and then see what happens next time. So all the tools that I've gathered throughout this build so far are not used in this. We've just got a metal plate and two little exhaust bracket things that just pop in place like that. As I say, it looks like it's ready for a screw in there, but I don't know, it's also a bit proud of that, so maybe that has to go onto something else first. But that one goes in there, that one goes in there, and this serrated edge is ready to be met up with another part at some point soon. So that's that. As I say, very quick build episode compared to last time's fiddly stuff. It's nice to have an easy rest. So that's it for another week done. I shall see you in a couple of days for the next and final part of this delivery. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.